Imagine writing a new product description in under a minute and having it already rank on Google. I used to stare at a blank screen, waiting for inspiration to hit. Then I discovered AI content writing tools that flip that script. I tap a button and the software drafts, optimizes, and even suggests where to drop a link. The result? More pages that rank, less time spent typing. Running a boutique e-commerce store means I need fresh copy every day. A typical AI writer can spin a 300-word piece in under a minute, then tweak it to hit my target keywords and readability score. I still keep control. Edit the draft before it goes live. That blend of speed and ownership feels like a secret weapon. One practical step I swear by is a rolling content calendar that pulls keyword ideas from my niche and feeds each into the AI. As soon as the draft is ready, I push it to my CMS with a single click. The blog stays full, the SEO keeps humming, and I reclaim hours of my week. Platforms like Distribb have taught me how a full-stack solution can handle research, writing, and publishing in one flow. I start by picking one high-intent keyword, run it through the AI, polish the output, and schedule the post. Do that daily, and traffic creeps up without the usual grind. Defining my content goals is the first piece of the puzzle. I ask myself, do I want more clicks, more sales, or more email signups? I write that goal in one sentence, then translate it into a metric. If I want clicks, I aim for a 5% lift in CTR. If sales, a 10% rise in conversion rate. Knowing the number makes the goal real. I then choose a tool that writes fast, stays on brand, and plugs into my CMS. I test a few options. Tool A is great for quick blog posts. Tool B excels at SEO-heavy pages. Tool C simplifies publishing for teams that need automation. After a short pilot, I settle on the one that best fits my workflow. Training the AI feels like coaching a new writer. I connect it to my site via an API key, feed it a few starter briefs, and let it generate drafts. I review, tweak, and tag each draft as approved, needs edit, or reject. Over a few cycles, it learns my voice, and the loop tightens. Once I have a draft, I polish it. Read it aloud, cut odd phrasing, add real examples, and shape it for Google. I craft a clear title that starts with the keyword, write a meta description that promises a quick win, and structure headings with related keywords. I insert internal links to deepen the topic, run a free AI detector to keep the score under 20%, and test the page after a week, tweaking as needed. Integrating the workflow is simple. I set the schedule, keep a ready-to-publish folder, give each draft a thumbs up, and let the system push the post live. I review tone and add a photo before publishing. Just a minute of my time. The system even auto-tags each piece with the target keyword and can turn the article into a LinkedIn post with one click. Measuring performance is where the magic turns into data. I pull organic traffic, CTR, and average time on page from my dashboard. If a metric dips, I run a tiny experiment. Swap the headline, add an internal link, or tweak the meta description. I treat each change as a single test and track its impact. A weekly review slot keeps me focused on small wins that add up. In the end, the AI does the grunt work while I stay in control of the story. I started with one piece today, and already my content engine is spinning faster. The goal isn't just more content, it's better content that speaks to my audience and ranks. Keep prompts clear, edits tight, and let the system learn from each round. Take a moment to ask yourself, what story could you tell if you had all the time in the world?